Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on this 2018 Nissan Qashqai. We just installed the Hansshow brand power hatch kit. So yes, that's right, we turned a manual hatch into a power hatch. So let me just show you a couple of ways that this works. So you can open it powered by using the factory button in the back. As you'll see, it powers up. It's got a closing button on the interior right there. It's also got an interior button up front. If I press and hold this, you will see it closes. And then I'll get Christian, my coworker here, say hi, Christian.
Hello.
To demonstrate the kick sensor that we installed. So there's a sensor down at the bottom of the bumper. If he waves his foot, it basically opens up as well. It does. Kick your foot again. It closes down as well. So the only thing that this kit doesn't do is it does not have control of the hatch via the key fob. Now there is a way that we could make this work. It would require extra parts. We're going to talk to the customer about that, but this particular kit on the Nissan Qashqai, that's the one thing it does not come with, is control of the hatch using the factory keyless button. But you know what, it's not that big of a deal. With the kick sensor you're good, with the exterior button you're good. As long as the back door is unlocked, or all the doors are unlocked, you can open it in those ways. Let me just show you the build quality of this kit. I'm quite impressed. It is a ruggedly built kit. I think it'll last quite a long time. So what the kit comes with, it comes with these two linear actuators, one on either side. They replace the hydraulic struts from Nissan. They come with some bracketry to mount it there, some new bracketry to mount up here. Obviously it's got wiring and a control module. The install's not bad. It takes a few hours to do the work. 3 to 4 is approximately what the install time is. You do have to put some riv nuts in here. You have to put some threaded holes for the new bolt locations on that. But short of that, you know, everything is pretty straightforward. If you or someone you know is looking to convert your hatchback vehicle into a power hatch, we have kits, or Hansshow has kits for pretty much any vehicle. Tomorrow we're going to be making another video on a 2017 Nissan Murano that we're converting. So we look forward to doing many of these in the future. If you are interested in doing one or you want to order a kit, let us know. We can definitely help you out. www.lockdownsecurity.ca or sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, or feel free to give us a shout, 1-866-824-4118, or locally 647-439-4485. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, it goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Hope you enjoyed this Nissan Qashqai Power Hatch Kit video. Thank you.